तभी कोई नहीं आता। मैं आपके बोले के बच्चों लोग तैयार करना स्टार्ट किया तब सब हॉस्पिटल में जाके मरते हैं। मुझे तो सब और मैं इतना हॉस्पिटल जाते रहते थे। तो मैंने एग्जाम नॉर्मल कभी आया। मैं सोया 3-4 महीने तक मैं लाइफ में देखने भी नहीं वाली। सुबह शाम नारियल पानी डालती। अबे यार वो हमारे स्कूल में भी है। मतलब वो बोल रहा था कि कभी फोन कर करने लगे वो बोल रहा था स्कूल में टीचर काम से बात किया था ना वो भी डाला था। वो ये के यार वैसे अच्छी थी उसके अच्छी नहीं थी वो अच्छी थी ठीक है बुरी नहीं रही ऐसे ही को बस है वो बोल होता है पर उसकी पसंद है तो मतलब ऐसे कृष्ण मामले में पता है तो मेरे को पता था अपने टीचर हम बताना था उनसे नंबर प्लेस हम जो मैं तब फोन कर चीजें सब हो गया है नहीं वाले से उसको बाद में नहीं भाई टेंशन में खड़ा नहीं है तो जैसे भी आएगा खड़ा होता तो वो आएगा मुझे मत नहीं आ रही बिल्कुल भी नहीं
Good evening. क्या हाल है? Where were you last time? Huh?
I was in the hospital.
Oh, so now you're okay. Dengue means what? Joint pains.
increased fever.
Increase.
Increased fever.
Every day fever was there.
I was in the hospital.
Oh. Then now you're okay. Okay. So let us start working on the last part. Today is the last lecture. Okay, na? Okay.
So which chapter are we doing?
We are doing, I think so, questions only. Topic is over, na? And questions bhi kuch ho gaya tha last time, right, na?
I wasn't there last
हाँ, last time we आज only questions they said. I think so. Last time what was done? Manasvi.
Valency is still left, right?
No, sir. Valency was left. Valency was left. What?
Yes, sir.
What is valency with the table? The tabular column.
Yes, but that was left.
Valency was left. Valency यानी ये वाला ना? Valency atomic number वाला ना? So this table was drawn ना last time? Make draw किया क्या? Come, Adeline, बैठी. चलो no problem. What is valency? उसके valency के पहले हम लोग देख लेते हैं. For example, the electronic configuration. ठीक है? आज ये लेक्चर क्या हो जाएगा खत्म हो जाएगा इसमें कुछ ज्यादा है नहीं ठीक है so today we'll try to cover up valency and other things and along with that questions on this topic so I think so first 15 minutes itself we'll cover up this topic remaining 45 minutes सिर्फ questions देखना ठीक है तो हो जाएगा टॉपिक now electronic configuration means our atomic structure topic is completed ठीक है स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम कंप्लीट कब होता है जब इलेक्ट्रॉन का पोजीशनिंग एटम साइंटिस्ट ने एक्चुअली कर दिया व्हाट इज दैट अगर फॉर एग्जांपल इफ एन एलिमेंट लाइक हाइड्रोजन ओके व्हिच इज हैविंग एन एटॉमिक नंबर 1 ठीक है एटॉमिक नंबर इसका 1 है एंड मास नंबर क्या होगा मास नंबर आल्सो दिस एलिमेंट इज हैविंग 1 ओनली ठीक है how many protons are there protons are nothing but what the atomic number itself is a proton तो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने हैं प्रोटॉन्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तो 1 न्यूट्रॉन्स क्या है? जो मास नंबर माइनस एटॉमिक नंबर आप करेंगे तो मास नंबर माइनस एटॉमिक नंबर, ठीक है, एटॉमिक नंबर इज नथिंग बट नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स, ठीक है. सो मास नंबर इज हाउ मच? 1. दिस इज 1. Okay, now what is the electronic configuration? The arrangement of electrons in an atom is called electronic configuration. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, अगर K शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हो सकते हैं? 1. L में कितना? 0. M में कितने? 0. N में कितने? 0. क्यों? क्योंकि there are no electrons available for hydrogen atom. This is the first element. Okay, so one can say, for example, the valency or we can say the valence electrons or valence shell contains how many electrons, or valence electrons will be how many? 1. Valence means outermost shell electrons. So 1. Now this element, in order to attain duplet, in this case it will attain duplet either by loss of electrons. एक electron loss, वो electron lose कर सकते हैं, या वो electron gain कर सकते हैं, या वो share कर सकता है अपना electron. So the tendency of an element to lose or gain or share electrons is called as what? Valency. Okay, but normally this hydrogen, normally what it shows? Tendency to lose. So इसका valence is normally +1. I mean, why? Because hydrogen is it's on the metal side. Okay, of course it can show valency of non-metal also, but normally we keep it as a metal kind of element. Although it is a gas, it shows properties similar to metals because of metal के side place किए. If you see the periodic table, hydrogen के नीचे कौन सा element है? Lithium. नीचे उसके नीचे sodium, potassium, rubidium, ये सब बहुत ही पावरफुल एलिमेंट्स हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ लूजिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इन लोगों का काम है लूजिंग करना. ओके, ये दुनिया में दो प्रकार के लोग हैं. Two types of people are there in this world. I mean, broadly if you classify, one set of people are sellers and other set of people are buyers. Sir, I am selling my house. One student comes forward and tells me, sir, we are selling our household house and we are shifting to some other. But at present we are not able to buy because हम लोग को थोड़ा सा time. Second student come and sir, we are buying a new house. This Ganpati festival. So what is important over here? There are two kinds of people only. इसके अलावा और कोई है ही नहीं. There are, you will say, sir, what is the context? The context is either they lose electrons or they gain normally. Very few people they share. Sir, I am sharing this house with them. House sharing normally क्या होता है? किसमें होता है? हॉस्टल में. Like suppose you are going for some professional course, that time वो तो एक जर्नी के बीच में when you are studying, then you cannot buy one house in everywhere where you are studying, ठीक है ना? Okay, पहले तो तुमको हॉस्टल में रहना पड़ेगा, वहाँ शेयरिंग. So that is also called balancing. But basically यहाँ पे तुम दूसरा चीज सब क्लासिफिकेशन भूल जाओ. ये सर आई एम इंडियन, ही इज अमेरिकन, वहां पे भी ये पूरे वर्ल्ड में देखेंगे तो बायर्स एंड सेलर्स ही. यू आर बाइंग वन बुक फ्रॉम द शॉप, the book person is what? A seller and you are a buyer. ठीक है, तो ये याद रखना. वैसे यहाँ पे अपने को करना. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट इज व्हाट? हीलियम. हीलियम के पास एटॉमिक नंबर 2, मास नंबर कितना है? 4 है. उसका मास नंबर ये है. तो बोलोगे सर मास नंबर का मतलब क्या है? ये प्रोटॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन्स का कॉम्बिनेशन. एक एटम में इसमें न्यूट्रॉन नहीं है, एक ही एलिमेंट है जिसमें न्यूट्रॉन नहीं है. कौन सा? हाइड्रोजन. ठीक है, इसका प्रोटॉन कितना है? 2. इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने हैं? 2. और न्यूट्रॉन कितने? 4 - 2. हाउ मच इज इट? 2. How many electrons? First shell maximum 2 electrons. On what basis? With the help of an electronic configuration 2n square. Come, बैठिए. ठीक है, okay, तो 2, तो that means L shell क्या हो जाएगा? Now but first shell में 2 electron means what? It is stable. Why? Helium is stable, so it's neither loses nor gains. This element will neither lose nor gain because उसके पास 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए था, उसके पास 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, so it will not actually lose or gain. So the system of elements are called, I mean, they are called as non-metals. I mean, in terms of gases, but they are actually what? Normally inert, noble gases. And what about this? This is a metal. ठीक है. Next element is what? Lithium. Lithium देखिए, lithium कितना है? 3, 7. This is what? 2, 1. अरे number of protons 3, electrons 3, neutrons कितने हैं? 4. ठीक है, पहले मैं ये लिख देता हूँ, उसको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन. उसके बाद कौन सा एलिमेंट? बेरिलियम, बोरॉन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन, नियॉन. राइट? You say what is the arrangement? This arrangement is through the periodic table. What is atomic number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. ये order है. Atomic number means the we can say the element number we can say. ये 6th position पे है. जैसा अभी ओलंपिक आने वाला है. Okay, 2024 में ना ओलंपिक, उसमें आपको याद रखना कंट्री नंबर 1, कंट्री नंबर 2, कंट्री मेडल टैली जब होता है तो ऊपर सबसे ऊपर कौन किसका नाम आता है? चाइना या फिर यूएसए, ठीक है. फिर अपना फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से कंट्रीज लाइक ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ये सब कंट्रीज का नाम ऊपर आता है. तो वैसे नंबर 1 नंबर 2 ऐसे करते. तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट हाइड्रोजन, सेकंड हीलियम, थर्ड लिथियम, बेरिलियम 4, बोरॉन 5, कार्बन 6, नाइट्रोजन. यहाँ पे इंडिया का नाम आता है 12 या 13 नंबर समथिंग, या मे बी समवेयर लिटिल बिट डाउन. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, मास नंबर कितना है यहाँ पे? Okay, beryllium 9, this is 10. Normally mass number is almost double the atomic number, yeah, slightly greater than the double than the atomic number. So 4 का double 8, but इधर 9 है. 3 का double 6, but इधर 7 है. 5 का double 10. यहाँ से equal शुरू हो जाते हैं. 6 का double 12, 7 का double 14, 8 का double 16, 9 का double, but it is 19. This is what? 10 का double 20. So sometimes 21 भी लिखते हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग 21 लिखते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी द प्रोटॉन्स. प्रोटॉन्स कितने? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. इलेक्ट्रॉन, सेम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. सिंपल. व्हाट अबाउट दिस? अभी नंबर ऑफ मास नंबर माइनस एटॉमिक नंबर 5, यस और नो? दिस इज 5, दिस इज 6, दिस इज 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 11. अगर सपोज 20 लिया तो इधर 10 आ जाएगा. 19 minus 9. अच्छा यहाँ पे, oh sorry, yes, 10. ठीक है ना? तो now what is the electronic configuration? देखिए 2, 1. This is 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. तो K शेल में, L शेल में इसके बाद इन लोग बढ़ रहे नहीं. ठीक है, ये देखो सिंपल है, ये टेबल श्योर क्वेश्चन है बोर्ड इन योर एग्जाम. ठीक है, इसमें वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने हैं? नाउ सी दिस इज द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट इन द आउटरमोस्ट शेल आर कॉल्ड वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इसका ये इतना, ये 1, ये 2, ये 3, ये 4, ये 5, ये 6, ये 7, ये 8. But what is the valency? Is it easier to lose 1 electron or gain 7 electrons? Lose. So metal आ गया. Is it easier to lose 2 electrons or gain 6 electrons? Lose. So lithium, beryllium and boron, they are all metals. Carbon, I mean it actually what can lose or gain. Okay, neither lose nor gain. That is actually what sharing. So valency is nothing but also sharing of electrons. Remember. Then this is what it is, having 5 electrons, easy to gain 3 electrons, easy to gain 2 electrons, easy to gain 1 electron. Here 0 electron. So this is what noble gas. Valency 0 आ गया. और ये क्या है? तीनों non metals हैं. क्यों? They are gaining. And here they are all metals. So metals का tendency क्या है? Tendency to lose. Why? Because they cannot gain 6, 5 and what is it? 4 electrons. Sorry, 7, 6 and 5 electrons. Here they cannot lose 5, 6 and 7. It's better to gain 3, 2 and 1. I gave you that story of 2 boys. Okay, got a notification of paying fees. Do you remember? याद है? तो एक के पास 1 रुपया था और एक के पास 7 रुपया था. याद है कि नहीं? That village school. So here what is important over here? That these are metals, these are non-metals, and this is a noble gas. तो वैलेंसी पहले डिक्रीज हुआ, फिर इंक्रीज, फिर वापस डिक्रीज हो रहा है, फिर कम्स टू 0. नाउ अगेन व्हेन यू कम टू सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, तो कैसे हो रहा है? देखो यहाँ पे लिथियम की जगह पे क्या करेंगे आप? सोडियम डाल देंगे. सोडियम का एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है? 11. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट. सो यहाँ पे इट इज 23. लेट मी राइट चेंज इट. व्हाट इज दिस? यहाँ पे देखो, अब थोड़ा सा चेंजेस याद रखना है. सोडियम के बाद कौन सा एलिमेंट है? मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, सिलिकॉन, फास्फोरस, सल्फर, क्लोरीन, आर्गन, पोटेशियम एंड कैल्शियम. इसका एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है? 12. इसका 13, इसका 14, इसका 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and this is 20. What about the atomic mass number? Mass number magnesium 24. Okay, aluminum 27, silicon 28. This is phosphorus 30, sulfur 32, chlorine 35, 35 mainly, and argon. It is nothing but about 40, potassium 40, ये भी 40. अब इसमें देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? If you see this particular हाइड्रोजन को निकाल दो अभी फिलहाल, ठीक है? फिर यहाँ से हीलियम तक ये कर दो. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? देखो इसका एटॉमिक नंबर 11, so number of protons 11, electrons 11. What is that number of neutrons? 23 minus 11. How much is it? 12. Very good. This is how much? 12, 12, 12. Yes or no? इसका कितना होगा? 13, 13, 14. इसका कितना है? 14, 14, 14. इसका कितना है? 15, 15, 15. Right? इसका कितना है? 16, 16, 16. Some 16, 17, 17, and this is 18. This is how much? 18, 18, and 22. इसका कितना है? 19, 19, and this is what? 21. This is how much? 20, 20, and this is what? 20. बराबर? 40 minus 20. Clear? अब इसको देखो, electronic configuration will be what? इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या होगा? थर्ड शेल में जाएंगे हम लोग. कैसे? अगर 11 एटॉमिक नंबर है तो क्या हो जाएगा? 281. Yes or no? 281. This is 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287. Yes or no? ये देखो. Valency remains the same. Okay, valence electrons कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we look, I mean, there is a similarity between sodium and lithium, magnesium and magnesium, and below that, before that, what is that? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay, neon इधर आ गया. ये देखो सिंपल है. Okay, but potassium and calcium देखिए क्या हो जाएगा? 2, 8, sorry, this is what? Potassium, argon हो गया ना? 288, yes or no? But what about this potassium? 2, 8, you say sir 9, but 9 is not possible. Why? Because outermost shell में 9 electrons are not possible. How many electrons are possible? Maximum 8, according to octet rule. तो यहाँ पे 8 और 4th shell में 1. Argon 2, 8, you will say sir 10. Is it possible? No. We have to put what? 8 and then 2. But what is the valency? इसके पास एक इलेक्ट्रॉन outermost shell में, इसके पास 2, तो valency कितना होगा? +1 and +2. ये metals में आएगा. Plus means metals, minus means non-metals. Okay, followed. This is called valency. And what are isotopes? Only we have seen isotopes, isobars. Okay, so I think so we have completed this topic. तो अभी क्या करेंगे? हम लोग क्वेश्चंस पे जाएंगे. एनसीईआरटी का जो क्वेश्चंस है, ओके, उस पे जाएंगे. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके, वेयर इज द बुक? हाँ, बुक इनके साथ शेयर. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, पेज नंबर 54. एक एक क्वेश्चन सब लोग पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? बट बिफोर दैट, देयर इज वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. You see isotopes. Why the average mass? Page number 56, 68. देखिए, 68 में one question is there. One question नहीं, in fact a concept is there. Chlorine has got two natural isotopes. Which are those? 35 and 37. Page number 68 देखिए. Middle paragraph. Can you locate page number? हाँ. But we know very well the atomic mass of chlorine is not 35 or 37. It has got average mass. So the ratio is how much? 3:1. 3:1 means what? In this nature, you will find if 3 atoms of chlorine 35 isotope is there, so for every 335 Cl35, there is a 137. Okay? So now what is that? So what is the average mass over here? Chlorine का average mass कितना हो जाएगा? Can you tell me? ये देखो, average mass कितना हो जाएगा? ये देखो. Now what is the average mass of chlorine? Average atomic mass of chlorine.
26.
हाँ? 36 नहीं my friend. See, 35 का 3 isotopes है और 37 का 1 isotope है. अपॉन व्हाट 4 कर दो। यानी आपको 3 टोटल 4 टेस्ट दिए आपने 9th स्टैंडर्ड में सपोज, उसमें से 3 टेस्ट में आपको 35 मार्क्स मिला और एक टेस्ट में आपको 37 मार्क्स मिला। नाउ टीचर वुड लाइक टू टेक एन एवरेज, तो हाउ टू टेक द एवरेज? 3 टेस्ट में 35 प्लस एक टेस्ट में आपको 37, दोनों को ऐड करो, टोटल कितना टेस्ट दिया आपने? 4। दैट मींस व्हाट इट विल बी, दिस इज 105 प्लस 37 डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट 4, हाउ मच इज इट? 142 by 4. 142 by 4 is how much? 35. सिंपल है। यानी आपको मार्क्स 35 के ऊपर थोड़ा रहेगा। क्यों? आपको 3 टेस्ट में 35 मिले, तो एवरेज आपका 35.5। यानी क्लोरीन का एक आइसोटोप, okay, that means chlorine the mass number is never fractional, but if it is this fractional value कभी आया आपको, that means there is an average mass of an element। ठीक है, एक वो क्वेश्चन दिया है। Now next is what? Application of these isotopes. Isotope of uranium is used in fuel in the, as a fuel in the reactors, nuclear reactors. An isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment of cancer, cobalt 60. And then isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of goiter, okay, a thyroid disease, okay. So that's why people they say that you have to do an exercise which is going to remove that particular thyroid disease. Now look here. Let us come to this question number, NCERT question dekhte hain. Okay, now Adrian, what are canal rays? वहां से start करना है सब लोग को। चलो 35 questions are there. Let us work on these questions. पढ़िए।
Okay. First question. In a reaction, 5.3 grams of sodium carbonate reacted with 6 grams of.
नहीं, कौन सा क्वेश्चन पढ़ रहे हैं आप? NCERT चैप्टर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम है ना?
Page number 69.
69। वो चैप्टर, वो that is history, मैम, that is done already. Okay, वो हम लोग ने डिस्कस भी कर लिया है। हाँ, वहां से पढ़ना है। एक मिनट, उसके पहले आपको और एक बोनस दे रहा हूँ। एक्टिविटी 4.1 पढ़िए। You are reading the activity 4.1. पढ़िए।
Activity 4.1. Aim to prove that matter contains charged particles.
Yes.
Materials required: hair, comb, paper, glass rod, and silk cloth inflated balloon. Procedure: comb the dry hair and rub a glass rod with a silk cloth and bring the rod near an inflated balloon. Observation: we observe that on rubbing two objects together, they become electrically charged. One body gets positively charged while the other gets negatively charged.
Yes. आपने कभी एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है ये? Like you rub the scale on the cloth and then you take some bits of paper, it gets attracted. That is nothing but the one scale is supposed positively charged and the rod is the bits of paper are negatively charged. ऐसे सोच सकते हैं। चलो, and then for next.
The conclusion from the above observation, we conclude that an atom is divisible and
Consists
consists
of charged particles. One is positive, other is negative. चलो, then पढ़िए. What are canal rays?
What are canal rays? Even before the electron was identified, E. Goldstein in 1886 discovered the presence of new radiations in a gas discharge tube and called them canal rays. These rays were positively charged radiations, which ultimately led to the discovery of another subatomic particle.
Yes, the proton. Proton का discovery canal rays से हुआ। पढ़िए, अदिति।
If an atom contains one electron and one proton, will it carry any charge or not?
No, because एक electron negative है और एक proton positive है, एक दूसरे को fuse कर देंगे ना? That means it's neutral. Yes.
It will not carry any charge. It is electrically neutral.
Yes.
As the opposite charges of a proton, which is positive, and an electron, which is negative, cancel each other.
Good. Third. पढ़िए। Trisha, क्या नाम है? पढ़िए।
One, the basis.
On the basis of one नहीं है वो, E cancel कर दीजिए। उधर थोड़ा typo error है उधर। Okay.
On the basis of Thomson's model of an atom, explain how the atom is neutral as a whole. Answer: Thomson proposed that an atom consists of positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded in it. Second point, the negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude, so the atom as a whole is electrically neutral.
Yes. चलो विश्वजा पढ़िए.
On the basis of Rutherford's Model of an atom which subatomic particle is present in the nucleus of an atom.
बहुत ही simple answer. What is that? Proton. चलो, my friend, क्या नाम है आपका? भव्य.
Yes.
पढ़िए.
Sir, from question 6 now.
हाँ.
What do you think would be the observation if the A particles capturing
Alpha particle है वो. Alpha. Greek word alpha is there. ये जैसा दिख रहा है लगता है ना? उसको अल्फा कर दो. अल्फा ऐसा रहेगा. बीटा ऐसा रहेगा. गैमा ऐसा. ठीक है ना? ये ग्रीक लेटर्स है. डेल्टा ऐसा.
Alpha is also used as proportionality, right?
Yes. Directly proportional, inversely.
Yeah, directly proportional.
Yes. Yeah. Next one.
Name the 3 subatomic particles of an atom. Electron negative, neutron negative, neutral, and proton positive.
Good. Next. Manasri पढ़िए.
Helium atom has an atomic mass of 4U and 2 protons in its nucleus. How many neutrons does it have? Answer is 2.
Good. Ninth.
Write the distribution of electrons in carbon and sodium atoms. C 2 and 4, Na 2, 8 and 1.
Good. Next one. 10th.
K and L are if K and L shells of an atom are full, then what would be the total number of electrons in the
K
atom?
में how many electrons we can fill up? 2. And L में कितना? 8. 2 plus 8. 10. Maximum. Good. Next one. 11. पढ़िए. Adeline. फिर से आपका turn आ गया.
How will you find the valency of chlorine, sulfur, and magnesium?
The
valency of chlorine and magnesium will be determined by the distribution of the electrons.
Yes, just now we किया. पढ़िए.
Energy levels as follows: magnesium 2, 8, 2. So the valency of magnesium is
will be plus 2.
It has 2 electrons in its outermost shell,
which readily donates to reach the
electronic stability. Octave 2 and 8. As it donates 2 electrons, it becomes positively charged, as it has now 12
protons in the nucleus and 10 electrons in the atom. Yes or no? Next one, second, chlorine has electronic configuration. Padhiye.
Chlorine has an electronic configuration 2, 8 and 7. It has 7 electrons in its valence shell.
Very good.
To reach electronic stability octave, it has to accept 1 electron and become 2, 8, 8. Hence, now it becomes
negatively charged because of addition of electrons. ठीक है ना?
So its valency is -1. Its nucleus has only 17 protons, but the number of electrons is 18.
Good.
In the case of sulfur, its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 6. It has 6 electrons in its outermost shell, so it can accept 2 electrons to attain electronic stability.
Yes.
So its valency is
-2. Okay, -2 as it accepts
2
electrons and gets negatively charged. Padhiye. 12.
If the number of electrons in an atom is 8 and the number of protons is also 8, then what is the atomic number of the atom? Atomic number is 8. What is the charge on the atoms? The charge is neutral.
Yes, good. 13.
With the help of table 4.1, find out the mass number of oxygen and sulfur atoms. Oxygen mass number is 16. Sulfur mass number is 32.
Good. 14.
First symbol H dot D and
H is hydrogen, D is deuterium, and T is tritium. Padhiye.
And T tabulate 3 subatomic particles found in each of them. Protium
H11,
H
proton is 1, no neutron, 1 electron. Right na?
Yes.
Padhiye.
Deuterium H12, proton is 1, neutron is 1, electron is 1.
Yes.
Tritium H13, proton is 1, neutron is 2.
That is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Electron is 1.
Electron is 1.
चलो next. कौन पढ़ रहे हैं? विश्वजा पढ़िए.
Write the electronic configuration of any one pair of isotopes and isobars. Isotopes 37. How do you read this?
Chlorine 37, chlorine 35. Oh, 0.5 को निकाल दीजिए. 0.5 is not there. Clear? 0.5 is not there. चलो next one.
Compare the properties.
एक मिनट, isobars, calcium 40
Isobars, calcium 40,
and argon 40, but it is 20 and 18. Atomic numbers are different. 16. चलो.
Compare the properties of electrons.
एक मिनट, भव्य and then Anurag and Vritti. पढ़िए. Bhavya will read electrons, okay. Anurag will read protons, and neutrons will be read by Vritti. Question number 16. पढ़िए.
Electrons. An electron is represented as E. The mass of an
एक
electron.
मिनट. अरे एक point सबको पढ़ना है, हाँ.
Protons. A proton is represented as P.
Very good.
Neutron is represented as M.
Excellent. आगे बढ़ो.
The mass of an electron is considered to be a negligible.
Negligible. हाँ.
Protons. The mass of a proton is taken on 1 unit.
Very good.
The mass of neutron is nearly equal to that of a proton.
बहुत अच्छे. चलो आगे बढ़ो.
Is -1.
हाँ.
Its charge is protons. Its charge is +1.
Plus one. Subhanallah. चलिए
Neutron
आगे.
has no charge.
No charge. Then next one.
The electrons move around the nucleus in fixed orbits. The protons
बहुत
are
अच्छे, हाँ.
at the
पढ़िए.
end of the atom.
Neutrons are present in the nucleus of all atoms except hydrogen.
Excellent.
Electrons are outside the nucleus.
Yes.
Protons exist in the nucleus.
In the nucleus. And neutron.
Neutrons exist in the nucleus.
Fast हो गया. चलिए मनस्वी पढ़िए.
What are the limitations of J.J. Thomson's model of the atom? Thomson proposed that an atom consists of a positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded in it. The negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude, so the atom as a whole is electrically neutral.
बहुत अच्छा बोला. Next one. What are the limitations of Rutherford's model? संजीती ना? संजीती पढ़िए. पूरा पढ़ा कि नहीं आपने?
नहीं sir.
हाँ पूरा पढ़िए.
Thomson's model explains that atoms are electrically neutral, but the results of experiments carried out by other scientists
Could not be explained by this model. So next one.
What are the limitations of Rutherford's model of the atom?
हाँ.
The revolution of the electron in a circular orbit is not expected to be stable. Second, any particle in circular orbit would undergo acceleration.
Yes.
During acceleration, charged particles would radiate energy. Thus, the revolving electron would lose energy and finally fall into the nucleus.
Yes.
Fourth, if this was so, the atom should be highly unstable and hence matter would not exist in the form that we know.
Good.
But we know that atoms are quite stable and this stability could not be explained by Rutherford's model of the atom.
Great.
Describe Bohr's model of the atom. In order to overcome the objections raised against Rutherford's model of the atom, Niels Bohr put forward the following. The postulates about the model of an atom
are as follows. नहीं, अच्छा, the put forward the following postulates about the model of an atom. Postulate means rules, guidelines. When you play the chess game, what is the guideline? What is the rule? That king can move only one step. The queen has to move. I mean, any number of steps she can go for. Yes or no? चलिए पढ़िए.
Only certain special orbits known as discrete orbits of electrons are allowed inside the atom.
Yes.
By revolving in discrete orbits, the electrons do not
radiate energy. उन लोगों का energy constant रहेगा.
These orbits or shells are called energy levels. These orbits or shells are represented by letters K, L, M, N
or numbers 1, 2, 3. Last time बताया था, ठीक है ना? 20th. कौन पढ़ रहा है अभी? चलिए, दोनों आप लोगों को क्या? नहीं, एक मिनट. Bohr's atomic model you will read, and you will read Thomson's model, isn't it? And Aditi will read. Aditi क्या read करेंगे? Rutherford's model. पढ़िए.
Okay. It stated that only certain special orbits known as discrete orbits of electrons are allowed.
जितना she is absent, what?
Yes.
चलिए पढ़िए.
Thomson's model. It stated that an atom consists of a positively charged pair and the electrons are embedded in it.
Yes.
Rutherford's model stated that there is a positively charged center in an atom called the nucleus, where the overall mass of an atom resides in the nucleus.
Very good.
While revolving in discrete orbits, the electrons do not radiate energy. These orbits or shells are called energy levels.
These orbits or shells are represented by the letters K, L, M, N or the numbers
N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Chalo, follow.
Thomson's model. The negative and positive charges are equal in the magnitude. So the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Thomson's model explained that the atoms are electrically neutral.
Good.
Rutherford's model, the electrons revolve around the nucleus in well-defined orbits. The size of the nucleus is very small as compared to the size of the atom.
Good. Chalo, 21st. किसका turn आ गया है? पढ़िए.
Summarize the rules for writing of distribution of electrons in various shells of the first 18 elements.
क्या हुआ?
Answer: the distribution of electrons into different orbits of an atom was suggested by Bohr and Curie.
Bohr and Curie, right na?
Yeah. The following rules are followed for writing the number of electrons in different energy levels for shells. First,
Good.
the maximum number of electrons present in a shell is given by the formula
2n square.
Where n
Is the orbit number or energy level number.
or the energy level index.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Hence, the maximum number of electrons in different shells are as follows. First orbit or K shell will be 2 into 1, which is 2. Second orbit or L shell will be 2 into 2 square,
8.
Third orbit or N shell will be 2 into 3 square, which is 18. Fourth orbit or N shell will be 2 into 4
Square is equal to 32.
And so on.
Yeah.
Second, the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the outermost orbit
Is 8. Third one.
Electrons
Are not accommodated in the given shell.
shell unless the inner shells are filled.
Yes.
That is, the shells are filled in stepwise manner.
Just like as you have taken one chapati of the plate, okay? What mommy says, finish off one chapati after you finish, then only you get second chapati. Same way. Unless you fill the inner shell, the outer shell cannot be filled up. Chili. And therefore hydrogen, उसके बाद helium, helium के बाद lithium, beryllium, boron, that table has been given. 22nd. Who's reading? Padiye, Vishnuja.
Define valency by taking examples of silicon and oxygen.
Yes.
The combining capacity of one element with another is called valency.
Good.
It is the number of electrons donated or accepted by elements during chemical combination to reach electronic stability.
Good.
Silicon minus 4.
That means it actually what? Gains 4 electrons. And oxygen gains 2 electrons. ठीक है ना? So then
explain with examples atomic number, mass number, isotope and
isobars. चलो ये बहुत ही important question है. Sure question in your examination. पढ़िए.
the atomic number is defined as the total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. The atomic number is hydrogen is 1 and the sodium is 11. The mass of an atom is due to protons and neutrons alone. These are present in the nucleus of an atom. The mass number of hydrogen is 1 as the nucleus contains 1 proton. The mass number of sodium is 23 as its nucleus contains 11 protons and 12 neutrons.
Good.
Isotopes are defined as the atoms
of the same element
having the same atomic number but a different mass numbers. Carbon
12 and carbon 14. उसका mass number ही पढ़ना है. Fluorine 35 and 37. Then fourth.
Atoms of different elements with different atomic numbers which have the same mass number are known as isobars. Calcium atomic number 20 and argon atomic number 18 have atomic mass number 14.
Yes. Okay. So next one. कौन पढ़ रहे हैं?
Give any two uses of isotopes. Uses of isotopes. An isotope of uranium is used as fuel in nuclear reactors. An isotope of cobalt is used
treatment of cancer. Carbon 14 for aging of carbon dating बोलते हैं. Okay. 24. पढ़िए. सिद्धि. हाँ तुम्हारे चांस नहीं है. तुमको बोनस मिल रहा है. 24 से 25 दोनों पढ़ोगे तुम. चलो.
Sodium has completely filled. So what's K?
K is potassium. अरे सॉरी K is K shell ना.
Right about shell.
अरे K and L shells है. अच्छा I thought K is symbol आप पूछ रहे थे. चलो then.
The sodium is completely filled. K and L shells is plain. The atomic number of sodium is 11. That is K shell contains.
That is 2 electrons and L shell contains 8 electrons. While M contains 1. चलो then.
If bromine atom is available in the form of say 2 isotopes,
bromine for the 79 is actually abundance of 49.7% and bromine 81 having an abundance of what 50.3. Calculate the average atomic mass of bromine. Simple है. 79 टेस्ट में आपको 49.7 मार्क्स मिला और 81 टेस्ट में आपको 50.3 मार्क्स मिला. तो टोटल 100 टेस्ट जो आपने दिया है, ठीक है, उसमें आपका एवरेज क्या हो जाएगा? क्लोज टू 80, क्योंकि आपको मैक्सिमम टाइम कितना मार्क्स मिला? 49.7 टाइम्स आपको क्या मिला? अरे 81 मिला है, बट इट इज 50-50 ना. आंसर 80 के क्लोज आ जाएगा. Because what is the average of 79 and 81? 80, isn't it? So what you'll do? 79 into 49.7 upon 100 plus 81 into 50.3 upon 100. You know how to take average ना? मैथ्स में पढ़ा है ना आपको एवरेज लेना. चलिए नेक्स्ट वन 26. पढ़िए सिद्धि.
The average atomic mass of a sample of an element X is 16.2 U. What are the percentages of isotopes X16 and X8 and X18 and X8 in the sample?
Very simple. ये देखिए एवरेज एटॉमिक मास कितना है चिल्ड्रन? 16.2. Right? Let us say that what is say for example isotope X and isotope Y are there of that element, right? ना X का कितना है? Let us say for example isotope of that element, let us say A and B है, suppose element A है. Let us say the first isotope कितना है? इसका percentage कितना है? X%. तो इसका कितना हो जाएगा? 100 minus X. Yes or no? Okay. Now what is the atomic mass number? इसका mass number कितना दिया है? इसका mass number कितना दिया है? What is the percentage of 16 ना? 16 and 18. तो 16 का कितना हो जाएगा? ये और इधर 18. Am I right? So what you will get? The 16 into this X percentage plus 18 into what? 100 minus X upon what? Total percentage is what? Upon 100. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? 16X plus इसको ओपन कीजिए ब्रैकेट को 1800 minus 18X upon 100. Yes or no? अब इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, इसको लेके आइए इधर 16.2 into 100 कितना हो जाएगा? It is 1620. Yes or no? Okay, अब देखो ये 1800 is a common number. And what about 16x minus 18x? It is minus 2x. Mathematics. And this is how much? This is 180 minus, so minus 1800 plus 1620 कितना हो जाएगा? Minus 180. Yes or no? Minus minus cancel. X is how much? 90. तो इसका abundance X का 90% है और इसका कितना हो जाएगा? 100 minus 90. How much is it? 10%. तो इसका 90% abundance है, इसका 10%. यानी आपको इतना ये टोटल टेस्ट आपने इतना दिया, उसमें से 90 टाइम्स आपको 16 मार्क मिला और 10 टाइम आपको 18 मार्क मिला. इसके लिए एवरेज आपका कितना है? 16.2, close to 16.2 आपका, यानी close to 16 है, because total 100 टेस्ट में से 90 टाइम्स आपको 16 मार्क मिला और उसमें 10 टेस्ट में सिर्फ आपको 18 मिला, ये 2 मार्क ज्यादा मिला, बट टोटल एवरेज कितना आएगा? close to 16.2, यानी 16, that's 16. नेक्स्ट वन किसका टर्न आ गया है? 27th. पढ़िए. हाँ.
If Z is equal to 3, what could be the valency of the element? Also name the element.
So electronic configuration is what? 2, 1.
And valency is equal to positive 1. The name of the element is
lithium, atomic number 3. 28. पढ़िए विश्वजय. नहीं, sorry, Aditi. Composition.
Composition of the nuclei of two atomic species X and Y are given as unknown. For X, the protons are 6 and neutrons are also 6. And for Y, protons are 6 and neutrons are 8.
So very simple. So the protons and neutrons मिला के क्या हो जाएगा? मास नंबर 12, x का 12 और y का कितना?
14.
So they are isotopes of the
Same
same element, isn't it? Okay, because atomic number is same. Then next one, 29. We are very much close to that final answer. Final question. पढ़िए.
For the following statements, write T for true and F for false.
Yes.
A. J.J. Thomson proposed that the nucleus of an atom contains only nucleons. Answer false.
False. B.
A neutron is formed by an electron and a proton combining together. Therefore, it is neutral. B. False. C. The mass of an electron is about 1 raised to 1 by 2000 times that of proton. C. True. An isotope of iodine is used for making
Medicine.
tincture of iodine.
False.
Is used as medicine.
Isotope थोड़ी use करते हैं उसमें. हाँ, next one. 30th. Put a tick mark against what? Correct choice and wrong. Cross against the wrong choice. किसका turn आ गया? पढ़िए. विश्वजय आपको बहुत ही अच्छा questions मिल रहा है. 30 से लेके आपको 33 तक करना है. चलिए.
Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment was responsible for the discovery of
Atomic nucleus. True. Electron no. Proton no. Neutron no. Next.
Isotopes of an element have the same physical properties, different chemical properties, different number of neutrons, and different atomic numbers.
So answer is what? Isotopes have same physical properties. No, false. Different chemical properties, false. Different number of neutrons, true. Different atomic number, false. Isn't it? चलो पढ़िए.
Number of valence electrons in
Chlorodyne, that is Cl minus. यानी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन उसने गेन किया है. तो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 16 तो नहीं हो सकता है. वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 8 होगा. 17 रॉन्ग, 18. यानी एक ही आंसर राइट है और सब रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. राइट? पढ़िए.
Which one of the following is the correct electronic configuration of sodium?
Yes, atomic number of sodium is 11. तो उसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या हो जाएगा? 281. Yes or no? चलो. 34th question में 1 2 3 4 5 6 students will be involved. ठीक है? कौन है वो 6 students? भव्य, अनुराग, रिद्धि, मनस्वी, and then Siddhi, and then Sanjiti, sorry, and then who else is there? चलो हेडलाइन पढ़िए. Start atomic number से start करेंगे.
Yes, complete the following table. Atomic number 9.
Mass number
19.
19. कैसे 19 आया? 19 कैसे आया? Number of neutrons को add करना है, isn't it? नीचे वाला आंसर देखिए. ठीक है? 19. So number of protons how much? कौन पढ़ रहा है? Number of protons. रिद्धि. सो रहे हैं. सोने दीजिए उनको. सोने दीजिए. सुभान अल्लाह. Okay? सोने दीजिए. चलो आराम से सो जाइए. nothing to worry. Number of neutrons 10. Next.
Number of protons 9.
Electrons 9. Adeline, fluorine क्या कौन सा atom है?
Atomic species is fluorine.
Fluorine, yes. Atomic number 16. Mass number
32.
32. Number of neutrons. रिद्धि कहाँ पे आप?
No, 0.
0. किधर 0?
Check the answer.
आंसर में check.
Clueless, right? No?
Clueless.
It's 16.
16. Number of protons 16. Number of electrons 16. Sulfur. ठीक है? ये क्वेश्चन आप भी लिख के रखिए. एग्जाम में श्योर क्वेश्चन है, लिख के. ठीक है? That's all in this. अब आपको लास्ट क्वेश्चन सब लोगों को करना है. ठीक है? और वो क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है? हार्डली फॉर एग्जांपल ये 10 मिनट का काम है. So I'll just for example 5 to it is. I'll give you suppose let us say 7 minutes to cover up match the column. दोनों match the column, 3 match the column है इसमें. Okay? एक multiple choice question है. Fill in the blanks and true and false. So let us do together this question. Match the column. Review questions पे जाएंगे. ठीक है? Review question में Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory suggested that atom was indivisible. Yes or no? Mark करो. 1 A to H. J.J. Thomson. Okay, J.J. Thomson was the first one to propose the model of an atom. Rutherford was interested in knowing how the electrons are arranged within the atom. Yes or no?
Yes.
Bohr suggested that atom, okay, They said that while revolving in the discrete orbits, electrons do not radiate energy. B. यानी G वाला part है D to G. Chadwick discovered neutron. Hardly 2 minutes का काम है. Next one, cobalt 60, cancer treatment. 1D, carbon 14, radioactive carbon dating for dead organisms. Carbon 14, C14. देखो next one. Okay, cobalt 60 क्या है? It is for treatment of cancer. C14. If I want to find out the age of this particular wood, this bench, I can find out with that from carbon dating. ये age 50,000 like wood का इसका जो wood है when it was alive, जो alive 50,000 years back, हम लोग find out कर सकते हैं. Iodine 131, 132 in fact, thyroid scan, sodium 24 to detect blood clots. यानी आपको body में system में किसी के blood clots हुआ है तो sodium 24 isotope डाल सकते हैं. Okay, और इससे आपको clotting of blood में. Now matching का double matching इधर है. ठीक है? अब डबल मैचिंग में क्या करना है? कॉलम 1 को मैच करना है 2 से और ये दोनों को मैच करना है 3 से. कार्बन 13 and 14 isotopes. And isotopes और इन लोग क्या है? They have different number of yes, very good. 1, 4 and A. Then it is not C, it is Ca. Second में Ca लिख दो. It is calcium 40 and argon 40. Isobars, they have different number of protons and neutrons. B. Potassium 19, 2881. Potassium 19 अभी लिखा था 2881. It is a metal or non-metal? Metal. Chlorine 17, 287. It is a non-metal. Simple है. ये देखो. Hardly 2-3 मिनट लग रहे हैं. Multiple choice question theory based. Magnesium has electronic configuration 282. Option A. The electrons are embedded in the positively charged sphere was proposed by J.J. Thomson. Atomic nucleus was discovered by Rutherford. Rutherford's model proposed that electrons revolve around the nucleus. Right, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Then, Bohr proposed what? Alpha particles are positively charged. Then atoms are stable and less reactive. वो answer है. Which of the following property is not a characteristic of anode rays? Ionized gases. ठीक है ना? Then positively charged particles. Positive charge is carried out by what? Anode rays. Alpha particle is made up of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Mass of an atom can be obtained by adding what? Total number of electrons, protons and neutrons. Which one is not true for 2 isotopes? Not true. Similar chemical properties, true. Similar atomic number, true. Similar mass number, false. Okay? L shell of an atom can accommodate how many? 8 electrons. The number of electrons that can be accommodated in a shell is given by the formula 2n square. The fundamental building blocks of matter are what? Atoms. Very good. Candle rays led to the discovery of what? Protons. The failure of Dalton's atomic theory was brought about by the discovery of what? Electrons and electrons and protons. Right now? Yeah. Atoms are made up of what? Electrons, protons and neutrons. Dash rays are negatively charged. Dash rays are negatively charged. Beta rays. Cathode rays. वो लिख दो. Then cathode rays होना चाहिए. Better है. Dash electrons are located in the outermost shell of an atom. Valence electrons. Right now? Valence electrons are nothing but what? Then the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the M shell, 18. Cobalt 60 radioisotope is used in the treatment of what? Or used to cure cancer. Children, true and false. आपको homework है. Now only to do it. And let me see how many are getting the 15 marks. We can say test kind of thing. Let me see how many are getting this marks for this true and false. Because we are having only 5 minutes. और ये 5 minutes में आराम से हो जाएगा. 5 नहीं, 8 minutes are there. So first 3 minutes I am giving you for planning out the answers. Okay, don't see the answer directly from behind. ठीक है? इसमें कुछ answer wrong है. इसीलिए अगर आप देखेंगे तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली -1 हो जाएगा। तो सोचिए एडलिन, सोचिए कि उधर लिखिए T और F। व्हाट इज T? ट्रू। व्हाट इज F? फॉल्स। चलिए हुआ कि नहीं?
वाला तो ट्रू है ना?
ट्रू है ना? आर्गन इज इनर्ट गैस। हीलियम, नियॉन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टन, ज़ीनॉन। हाँ? 7th वाला क्या है? बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, 2 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन। ट्रू ना? अरे वो टेबल देखिए, पेज नंबर 67 या 68 में टेबल देखिए, टेबल में दिया ना वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन। कौन सा टेबल अभी बनाया था ना? प्रोटॉन्स, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, न्यूट्रॉन्स। Let me see how many getting full marks. 15 on 15. This is an open book kind of test. ODBA. Open book. Open textbook assignment. Okay? ODBA. When you are having a closed textbook assignment, तो क्या होगा? कटबा. ये नहीं सडबा या कटबा बोल सकते. ठीक है? Then, okay, पूरा. Oh, very good. At least you have become much faster.
सब बोथ है।
हाँ वही, both of you. Okay, हो गया. अनुराग, आप और faster हो गए. Right? कितना बाकी है आपका?
सर आधे नहीं हुआ।
हाँ करो, 2 मिनट और दे रहा हूँ मैं.
मैं एब्सेंट था, मुझे पता नहीं।
तुम एब्सेंट थे? नहीं, जितना आता है उतना करो.
जितना आता है उतना।
चलो go, let us start, isn't it? 4 मिनट बाकी है, 15 क्वेश्चंस आपके पास है, ठीक है? Let us start one by one. Adlin, you will start with the first question. Question क्या है? बोलिए.
The electron revolve around the nucleus in this
well-defined orbits. बोलो ध्यान से. What is that? Good, excellent. Next, second.
The size of the
ट्रू है ना
nucleus.
First, true है. हाँ.
The size of the nucleus is very small as compared to the size of the atoms. True.
True. Okay. 1 full mark you write. 1 for the first and second for the, again 1 mark for the second. Third. Aditi, बोलिए.
The evolution of the electrons in a circular orbit is stable for.
Good. True or false? True है ना?
नहीं false.
False लग रहा है आपको? True है ना? Circular orbits stable है.
True.
अरे बोर ने तो वही बोला है. 1 mark lost हो बढ़ते हैं. हाँ. त्रिशा बोलिए.
During acceleration, charged particles do not radiate energy.
क्या लग रहा है आपको? False. It radiates energy. Okay? इसमें आपको false लिखना था. चलिए, संजीती पढ़िए.
Only certain special orbits called discrete orbits of electrons are allowed inside the atom.
क्या लग रहा है आपको?
True.
True. Very good. Then next, Manaswi, पढ़िए.
Argon is an inert gas. True.
Yes, good. Ritik, 7th question.
True.
Huh?
ये तो question.
Magnesium, beryllium,
Beryllium,
magnesium
magnesium, and calcium
have two valence electrons. True, very good. चलो अनुराग, क्या लग रहा है आपको? E by m, that is charge to mass ratio, okay, of particles of canal rays remain constant. False. उसमें false हो जाएगा because protons अलग अलग है, इसलिए mass उन लोगों का अलग अलग होगा. अगर anode rays होता तो constant रहता. Okay? तो ये शायद आपको difficult लगे question, but anyway, whatever you written the 9th one. भव्य बोलिए.
The energy of orbit closest to nucleus is closed. True.
हाँ? क्या? Energy of the orbit closest to the nucleus, yes, true. Potential energy बहुत कम रहेगा उसका. क्यों? That's why उसका kinetic energy बहुत fast है. That's why Mercury moves very fast around the sun. क्यों? उसका energy, potential energy कम है. So that is shown in the form of kinetic energy. Next one.
What could explain stability of atom?
True, very good. 11. Edlin, पढ़िए.
Neutral atom electrons are equal to number of protons.
हाँ, क्या लग रहा है आपको? True. Next one. Fluoride has 18 electrons and 18 protons. False. 18 electrons but 17 protons. Protons बढ़ेंगे नहीं. Electrons कम या ज्यादा हो सकते हैं. Next one. कौन पढ़ रहा है? पढ़िए. H plus ion does not have electron and neutron but has one proton. क्या लग रहा है? True, very good. बहुत ही अच्छा बोला. 14.
Cathodes
Risha.
are positively charged first, then negatively charged.
Yes, that is false, ना? Good. चलो संजीत जी आपके लिए last question मिल रहा है. बोलिए, question बोलिए. अरे उसी पेज में है.
The maximum number of electrons in the
क्या लग रहा है? True, very good. Now count the marks, all of you.
I got 14.
All correct. एक wrong answer. 15. Time हो गया. चलो. 15. तुम्हारा? आपको you were absent, so we can consider as full only. चलो. 14. Good. Okay. So wish you all the best. We have completed the full portion. Okay. अगर कुछ doubt रहेगा तो you ask for extra lecture. Okay. Thank you very much. Otherwise you are getting full mark. नदी क्यों बोली? Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for not
Yes. She was very good.
बेटे की वाइफ का जॉब और फिर लास्ट टाइम
Just for science,
Who tells about this sun?
Science
Yeah, drawing.
It's very nice.
She was jumping over top.
वो बोल रही थी कहीं एचसीपीएस का बोर्ड पे लिखा है उसके बेटे ने कुछ एग्जाम पास किया था। अरे बड़ा गेट नंबर एंट्री नंबर लिखा है मुझे लगा 10th स्टैंडर्ड के लिए कोई एग्जाम लिख रहा
बाकी एडवाइस दे रहा है वो तो खुद का पूरा
उसकी गेट नंबर गेट नंबर भी लिखा गेट नंबर 5 पोजीशन तो मेरे को लेजिट लगा वो 10th स्टैंडर्ड में कुछ बोल रहे थे आप गेट से जाकर रजिस्टर नहीं उसका बेटा पास हुआ था एग्जाम तो उसका डिटेल दे रहा था
ये पता है बहुत से पता है बहुत से बड़े संडे
इसका कुछ हुआ
गेट नंबर सीरियसली एग्जाम कोड स्टूडेंट आईडी
सभी ने भाई तो
त्याचा वेळ झाला
फोटो नहीं इसका
चारा का निकाले so many
फोटो नहीं मैं खबर
ऐसा शराब नहीं है कॉलेज आजकल ना विश्वजान जैनिस की बेस्ट फ्रेंड आते जाके विश्वजान की पता है वो
मैंने भी बोला देखो क्या हुआ था
देखो
कैसी अभी
बस
तूने कैसा का कॉमेडी में बताना नहीं तो फाड़ के लाइक उसे सब लोग सबसे मैसेज पहले तो कृष्णा का कृष्णा कौन है मुझे भी डाउट हो गया एंड रोज तो ये चले जा रहे थे ना
केमिस्ट्री पूरा डर ना आता है किसी को डाउट नहीं
मेरे को एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए था